Welcome back, fight fans. Welcome back. Let's just dig right into it. Ring Magazine has listed their top 10 heavyweights, and we'll just go 1 through 5. They have Tyson Fury listed as the number 1 heavyweight. Deontay Wilder is the number 2. Andy Ruiz is number 3. Anthony Joshua at 4. And Dillian White at 5. Now, there's not too much you can argue with the list, but one thing you can say is you can put Andy Ruiz number 1 on the list. And, I did a lot of thinking, and, even though you may feel like Tyson Fury may be the best overall fighter, Tyson Fury may beat everybody on the list. A lot of people feel that way, and he has the potential to do so. But the problem with Tyson Fury is, he holds no belts. And a lot of people say the lineal championship, he relinquished that when he took multiple years off. He's not an actual belt holder. And also, if you look at Tyson Fury's resume, all he has is one Klitschko win. So the one Klitschko win does that equal every top 10 level type of opponent and win that Anthony Joshua has? Absolutely not. It just simply does not. At the end of the day, I do believe he was robbed in the Deontay Wilder fight, but I will put him over Deontay Wilder for that reason. I will put Deontay Wilder right behind Fury just because he still retained the belt due to unfortunate circumstances. But at the end of the day, I have to put Andy Ruiz number 1. And the reason why is because he beat the best fighter in the division. He beat the more proven fighter in the division. And the reason why is because Anthony Joshua, before that Ruiz fight, he was ranked number 1 by legitimately everybody. Ring Magazine, everyone had Anthony Joshua ranked number 1. He was a unified world champion and had the best resume of every other heavyweight. Regardless if you believe Wilder or Fury could beat him or not, he was ranked number 1 for a reason, because his resume spoke volumes. So at the end of the day, if you look at it, Tyson Fury, Deontay Wilder will all have to go behind Andy Ruiz Jr. Andy Ruiz is number 1 heavyweight in the boxing world today. Who's your number 1 heavyweight? Let's debate it, get into it, honest and unbiased. As always, it's the IBFP. Please share, like, and you must absolutely subscribe.